Once again, Empire Crypto, Empire Finance. Today, welcome to the show. First of all, please be sure to subscribe. Please click that like button. To buy or sell, this show is sort of like an emergency show. I'm sharing the market today before the big moves are going to be made. CPI, Fed rates are going to affect the market. Firstly, we're going to also discuss why Bitcoin fell from that level, 670k levels, to the 66k levels. This happened just yesterday. But it gained a bit of a momentum this morning, going back to 67k. Bitcoin, it is because there are big things that are going to be happening fundamentally that are going to affect the market, the news that are going to be released out in the United States are affecting the current conditions. And people don't really know whether to buy or sell, but let us just go through it. These news, first of all, okay, let me just go on top. This is investing.com. Start here with CPI, our consumer price index, which is in South African time. It's going to come out 2:30, alongside with these new CPI YOY May and CPI MOM on May. But all of these news, they're all related. So when CPI comes out, whether positive or negative for the dollar, it's going to affect the market in a massive way. And not only just that, going down, there is FOMC economic projections, FOMC statements, and Fed interest rate decision. This one is the huge one. These news are affecting the market, and most traders are nervous and have pulled out of the market as recently as on Tuesday, if I may say. And we've seen the downfall of crypto on Monday, in fact. So since they've been waiting for these news, whether the market will be going up or down, so people are sort of nervous. Pulled out on their ETFs, and we've seen some ETFs outflows. There are articles that explain that. So I want to take the most earliest article that came out that supports this. It says Bitcoin news today. Fed jitters impact demand for BTC. Spot market. Jitters means a sense of nervousness. So there is a sense of nervousness within crypto traders and crypto investors. They are not sure whether the market is going to go up or down. Bitcoin, BTC declined by 0.16% on Monday. This was on Monday. This was the beginning of the downtrend that I've just shown you. Ending the session at 69,500, and USBTC spot market, spot ETF market flow data influenced buyer appetite for BTC. On Tuesday, which was on the 11th, which was yesterday, investor caution could affect buyer demand for BTC and the broader crypto market as the Fed interest rate decision looms, which is going to be today in a few hours' time. Tonight in South African time is going to be 8 o'clock right here, like I've shown you. This is what is being waited for, interest rate decisions, okay? And but of course, let's go back to the article. Let's go back, and then it says USBTC spot ETF market faces outflows for the first time since May 10th. This was last month. Now we are on June 12th. So for a full month, we've been seeing inflows, but now the outflows are also affecting the market. Hence, we see this bearish trend that is going down. On May June 10, Bitcoin BTC declined by 0.16%, partially reversing a 0.43% gain from Sunday. June 9, BTC ended the session at $69,570. Fed fear impacted buyer demand for BTC and the broader crypto market. Investors awaited the US CPI, which is today, report. FOMC interest rate decision, economic projection, and the press conference that is going to be happening today. These are the things that are affecting the market. The latest of the most latest news that are also, I think, explains it on the final turf. Bitcoin news today, which is today on the 12th of June. BTC slips on ETF outflows amid US CPI and Fed rate fears. That's all it's about. That CPI and Fed rate decision is what affects this trend right here as we see it today going down. Not only just Bitcoin has experienced this downtrend, I can look at the market also on the Ethereum. Also Ethereum falling from 3.7 and going all the way to 3.4 Bitcoin. Also Ethereum, also BNB, one of the cryptocurrencies that has been performing quite well lately, also experienced a downtrend on a sharper way that we've never thought that it would happen at this stage. But obviously, investors and traders who are aware of this have taken opportunities and sold and still making profits out of that. But let's see what happens as time goes on. So it's decision time. It's whether to buy or sell. Some people are holding, and that's why we are seeing an outflows of ETFs. On this news that says outflows amid US CPI Fed rate fears. It's just about fear. So the whole psychology behind it is playing on people's fears. So people just step out of the market, including master traders. Probably some master traders are still trading on the market. Hence, we are seeing maybe a sideways trend for Bitcoin currently, which is at 67K. So this is support and resistance levels here that I can place, but not now. But I want to see where the market goes. If it breaks neither support or my resistance, then I can be sure where the market goes. But it's all about the Fed rate and the CPI results that are going to come out. Bitcoin BTC slid by 15% on Tuesday, which was yesterday, ending the session at 67.3, 178. You can see also the bears that are representing the bull market, the bear market or the downtrend market that has been shown. US BTC spot ETFs market ends 19-day run in inflows, so we are experiencing outflows due to the fact that CPI and Fed rates are affecting the market. I think that information could be useful for traders and investors in the crypto space. The market is going to go crazy, and let's see what happens, and let's see whether the decision is going to be buy or sell. So until next time, thank you very much for joining me. Please be sure to subscribe and please click that like button for our YouTube channel. Thank you.